Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexison company watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about lease agreements, a contract in which one party transfers its property to another party for a specified period of time in a return for periodic payment. That property can be land, machinery, vehicle and a piece of equipment. It is important to note the meaning of transfer of interest. If the lease agreement creates an interest in the property, entitling the transferee to enjoyment, then it is a lease. But if it only permits another person to make use of the property without exclusive possession, then it is not a lease, but rather a license. So what are the legal elements of a lease? First, there are lessor. The owner of the property is called lessor, lessee. The person to whom the right to enjoy the property is granted by the lessor is the lessee. Then sublessee, a person to whom the right to enjoy the property is being granted by the lessee. Then it is subject matter. The leased property is the subject matter. Lease agreement, a contract between lessor and lessee. Format, what is the format that we follow in India? So it must contain the name of the both lessor and the lessee or their agents, description of the property such as the location, address and built area, etc. Then the amount of rent which will be charged with the date on which will need to pay, the mode in which the rent needs to be paid, what will be the usage of the leased property be, what are the activities which can be performed on the property that takes for the lease, then many ways in which the agreement can be terminated before the date of its expiration, along with any charges that will be charged for such termination. The amount which has been given as a security deposit along with the account of which the security deposit is being held. The lessor has provided the list of utilities, and if there is any change for the utilities which are levied by the lessor, in what way will the charge of those services be fixed, various rules and regulations, specifying where the parking is available, specify the manner mentioned in which the request by the lessee for repair will be handled. In the case of emergency request, what will be the procedure, the time period for which the lease agreement will be affected. If the lease is to be extended, then the terms will be enforced. So this was all about lease agreement. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.